Namaste Yogalabas, this is Mukesh here. Today I am going to share you something about Ashtanga Vinyasa sun salutation. Ashtanga Vinyasa sun salutation is a bit different than traditional sun salutation. In Ashtanga Vinyasa sun salutation, we have two parts. First is Ashtanga Vinyasa A and second Ashtanga Vinyasa sun salutation B. Ashtanga Vinyasa sun salutation A has 9 postures and Ashtanga Vinyasa sun salutation B has 19 postures. In Ashtanga Vinyasa sun salutation, we count in Sanskrit counting like one, not like a 1, 2, 3. Its counting is ekam, dviyam, trini, chatvari, panchama, like this. And also we have to focus on the Ujjayi breath. In Ashtanga Vinyasa, we have Ujjayi breath. Ujjayi breath is like this. It's sound less breath. And also we need to focus on the gaze. Gaze means drishti. Drishti is we have to fix our eyes, fix our gaze on the specific point, specific part of our body. So let's see how to do sun salutation A and the sun salutation B. First I am going to share you sun salutation A. Here is sun salutation A. Join your feet together, lengthening your spine, lengthening your arms position, come samasthiti position, neutral position. Feet together, arms lengthening beside of your body, roll your thighs in, strongly place your hips on the ground and lift up your chest, abdomen, and look at your eye level. And then ekam, hands up. Look up your thumbs, lift up your chest, dviyam, exhale. Put your hands level of your feet, lengthen your spine, and then draw your head down and look at your nose. Trini, look up, lengthen your spine, look further, and then fix your gaze on your third eye. And then chatvari, jump, bend your knees and then jump back. And then come chaturanga position and then inhale, panchama, set, and then come downward dog position. Place your heels completely on the ground, lengthen your spine, lengthen your arms, and lift up your hips, draw your trunk down, look at your neighbor, hold your tight breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then inhale, bending your knees and then jump forward. Sapta. Ashto, again Uttanasana. Now raise your body up, Urdhva Hastanasana. Look up your thumbs and the samasthiti. Now here is some options. If you cannot jump, if you cannot do all poses on the final position, you cannot reach the final position, you have some options. First is, if you cannot reach down, you can put your hands on your knees and keep lengthening your spine, and slowly you can go down. Second option is, if you cannot jump here, if you cannot jump, you can walk on the back like this. Or you can jump like bending your knees and then jump slowly at this way. This is easy jump. And then here is chaturanga directly. If you cannot do chaturanga, you can place your knees down first and then drop your chest down, and then you can come upward dog position, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. And the same here, first place your knees down and then come Adho Mukha Svanasana. Once again same. Here also you can walk if you cannot jump. It's easy way, optional way. Hope you can enjoy.